Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to install .NET on your Mac OS and also run C# programs on your Mac. So for that, let's go to your browser and search .NET on Google. The first site you have to open it and that .NET.microsoft.com. Here you will find a download option. Just click on download, and based on your OS it will automatically select the installer for you. Download for me it's a Mac OS. If you are Windows or Linux, it will select based on your OS. So just download the installer. It will take some time to download it. It is like 176 MB. I will fast forward it. Okay, so our installer is downloaded. Just open it, and here the process is very simple. Just continue. It will install it in your, just give a password if you have one. And it will very fast. It's less than a minute. It will install a .NET on your Mac OS, and it's installed. I just move to bin, and to check if it is installed or not, just go to your terminal and run this command .NET. Now if you see that this giving us an error, right? And for to if command not found, it is saying command not found. And to deal with this error, we have to if you go to cd in this directory, you can find that .NET is present here. And if you try to run the .NET command from here, it will work perfectly. To work this with all from all locations, we have to link this .NET command line tool in user local bin. To do that, just go to in sudo mode, give a password here, and I'm in now root user, and just paste this link command ln-s user local share .NET x64 and that .NET command line tool to link into the user local bin, and just press and exit the root mode, clear, and now try to run the .NET and it's working fine, right? So now the error is gone, and we have also confirmed that the .NET is also working fine. Let's now create a project and see if the project is working fine, right? So to do that, I will go to the desktop and create a .NET project, new console, oh my project. And if you see, it created a project on my desktop. So just open it, just cd into my project and open it into VS Code, and you can see that the project C# program is here, hello world. And if we try to run that program now, .NET run, you can see that it is printing hello world. So our installation is working perfectly fine. Let's see you next video.